Hi YouTube, today I want to show you how merge sort algorithm works. It is a recursive divide and conquer algorithm that splits the list into tiny bits and then merges them together, hence the name merge sort. So the first step is to divide the array into 2 bits, and we want to keep doing that, keep repeating that until we have subarrays of length 1. Now that we're done splitting the arrays, we are going to move on to merging them. So sort arrays takes in 2 sorted arrays and returns a big sorted array, the merged array. The red arrows in this video represent pointers. Normally pointers start at the first element of arrays, and they help with the sorting process. So here we are taking these subarrays of length 1 and joining them into one array of length 2. And eventually we'll end up with 4 subarrays of length 2. And here is where the pointers start to become handy. The pointers start at the first element of each subarray, and then every round, every iteration, you compare the values that are under the pointer, and you move the smaller one to the sorted array. You also have to increment the pointer so it points to the next element. Once one of the pointer reaches the end, you can basically add the rest of the other subarray to your sorted array. And here we're moving on to the next pair of subarrays. We're calling sort arrays on them. So here 1 is smaller than 3, so that gets moved. We move the index up. 3 is smaller than 4, so we get move 3, and then we move that index up, and then 4. And we should end up with 2 subarrays of length 4. Now we only have to call sort arrays once more, and we can get the whole sorted array. That wasn't so hard. Let's talk about the runtime of this algorithm. In the best case and worst case, they're both n log n. So let's break that down. The log n part is when you split the arrays. It takes log n rounds of splitting. So in this case, it's 3 rounds. In the first round, we split 8 and we get subarrays of length 4, and then we split that again and we get subarrays of length 2, and then with another round of splitting, we get subarrays of length 1. Since n here is 8, log n is 3, so the math checks out. And the n part is just when you iterate through each element every time that you merge lists together. I hope that was clear, and thank you for watching.